Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both tools and data. Install Autocad Map 3D or Civil 3D so you have built-in GIS import functions, and open Google Earth Pro to export your area as KML or KMZ. Make sure the KML uses WGS84 datum, otherwise coordinates will shift. In Autocad, set drawing units and assign the correct coordinate system before importing. Once done, create a dedicated working folder for KML, textures, and intermediate files so you avoid path issues during import. Next, import the KML. Run MapImport or MapConnect and select KML/KMZ as the format. Pick the file and target drawing. If you have KMZ, unzip it first to access embedded images. Autocad struggles with zipped resources. During import, map KML feature types to layers and assign sensible layer names. This preserves place marks, paths, and polygons. Make sure you specify the source coordinate system as WGS84 and apply the correct scale. Otherwise, lines and points will be misplaced once Finally, reproject or assign the drawing's coordinate reference system to match your project using MapsAssign, applying a geographic transform when necessary so everything lines up. Clean up geometry by exploding compound KML features, joining broken polylines, and removing duplicate vertices. Then set layer visibility and linework styles. If something goes wrong, verify you extracted KMZ contents correctly and that Autocad can access image paths. Missing textures or layers usually mean the KMZ wasn't unpacked or the wrong
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.